So hi guys, right now we are towards the end of our class, and the last thing, the major thing we're going to do is to render. When you want to render, you go over here and you choose this, and this is going to come along. Let's just use 3D. Phew, guys, so we are about to render. Once you want to render, let's I don't know if I like this color. Let's go back to colorways, and I prefer that one. So guys, now that we are done with figuring out exactly how we would want our everything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a scene. For example, let me say here it can be a stage that you add, it can be whatever. So let me add that, and now we have a background. And let's say I want to render where it is now. I can also say I want the camera to show this part like this, and I'm going to say, oh no, sorry, it's here. So I will say start, and then it will show you the progress that's happening. And then you open the folder, and here is my render. It's coming. Yes, so here we have a rendered photo of what we were doing. And let me say I want this one to go back to the standing position. Yeah, so let me say I want this angle. I'm going to go back to start, and we will have our, you remember, even the animation, wherever you save it, you can always play it. So here we have our second rendered object. Now you can also render the animation, but I wouldn't advise that because that takes forever. So you can also change the render settings here, and for example, you can decide which colorway, you can decide on the image size, you know, everything here, resolution, the units, the background color, you can change it. There is so much you can change. And then also the naming and whatnot, right? There is somewhere where you can either decide like this is a photo, or that's in animation, I guess. So you can change the name, whatever. So here, I guess now you know how to render, guys. I guess now you're aware of how to render, and this is how what's happening in this side, it's happening on the render window. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you learned how to render, and I'm going to be back with the last, you know, the last two, okay? The last two things that you need to learn before you call yourself an expert, okay? So let's go.